Welcome to my channel Riya Study Circuit. Today I am going to explain about 8th class maths chapter number 12 factorization exercise 12.2 bit number 2. In last video I explained about bit number 1 in exercise 12.2. So today I am going to explain about bit number 2 in exercise 12.2. Bit number 2 is factorize the following. The first problem is x square minus 36. So the solution for this, we already know that how to factorize an algebraic expression by using identities. So we have identities like a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So these three are our identities. So our problem is x square minus 36. Solution for this is x square minus 36. Here we have 36. We can write 36 as 6 square. That means 6 into 6. That means 6 are 36. So we can write x square minus 6 square. So it is in the form of a square minus b square. So the formula for a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Here a is x and b is 6 from this expression. So the formula for this is x plus 6 into x minus 6. This is our final solution. So next problem is 49x square minus 25y square. Solution for this is 49x square minus 25y square. Here we can write 49 as 7 square. That means 7 into 7. 7 sevens are 49. And 25 we can write as 5 square. That means 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. So we can write 49x square minus 25y square as 7x whole square minus 5y whole square. 7 sevens are 49. X square minus 5 5s are 25, y into y square. So it is in the form of a square minus b square. The formula for this is a plus b into a minus b. So here a square is 7x whole square. From this we have a equal to 7x and b square means 5y whole square. From this b equal to 5y. So we can write 49x square minus 25y square equal to a square minus b square. Formula for this is a plus b, that means 7x plus 5y into 7x minus 5y. So this is our final answer. Third one, m square minus 121. Solution for this is m square minus 121. So here 121, we can write 121 as 11 into 11. 11 11s are 121, so 11 square. So m square minus 121, we can write it as 11 m square minus 11 square. So it is in the form of a square minus b square. The formula for this is a plus b into a minus b. So m square minus 121 equal to, the formula for this is m plus 11 into m minus 11. Since a equal to m and b equal to 11, so this is our final answer. Next one is fourth one, 81 minus 64 x square. Here the solution for this is 81 minus 64 x square. Here 81 we can write as 9 square and 64 we can write as 8 square. 8 is a 64. So 8 square x square. We can write it as 9 square minus 8x whole square. So it is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So here a equal to 9 and b equal to 8x. So 81 minus 64 x square equal to 9 plus 8x into 9 minus 8x. This is our final solution. So next problem is fifth one, x square y square minus 64. Solution for this is x square y square minus 64. We can write it as xy whole square minus 8 square. It is a 64. So it is in the form of a square minus b square. The formula for a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Here a equal to xy and b equal to 8. So x square y square minus 64 equal to a plus b into a minus b. That means xy plus 8 into xy minus 8. This is our final answer. Next problem is sixth one, 6x square minus 54. So the solution for this is 6x square minus 54. So here we can't write 6 in the form of any square. For example, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. So for this problem, first we take 6 common from these two terms, then we have x square minus 9. 6 9s are 54. So next step is 6 into x square minus this 9 we can write as 3 square. So again it is in the form of a square minus b square. The formula for a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So 6 into x square minus 3 square. 6 into, for this we can write this formula, x plus 3 into x minus 3. So the answer is 6 into x plus 3 into x minus 3. This is our final solution. Next problem is 7th one, x square minus 81. Solution for this problem is x square minus 81. This expression we can write as x square minus 9 square, because 9 nines are 81. So it is in the form of a square minus b square. Formula for this a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. And here we have a equal to x and b equal to 9. So the answer for this x square minus 81 equal to x plus 9 into x minus 9. This is our final solution. Next problem is 8th one. This is some different problem. So the solution for this is 2x minus 32 x power 5. So from this we can take 2x common from these two terms. Then we have 1 minus 16x power 4. So next step is 2x into 1 minus this 16x power 4 we can write as 4x square whole square. Here 1 square minus 4x square whole square. That means 4x square whole square means 4 4s are 16. X square whole power means x power 4. So next it is in the form of a square minus b square. Formula for this is a plus b into a minus b. So here we have 1 square minus 4x square whole square. So a equal to 1 and b equal to 4x square. So next step is 2x into a equal to 1, b equal to 4x square. So the formula is a plus b into a minus b. So 1 plus 4x square into 1 minus 4x square. Again we have here 1 minus 4x square. Our next step is 2x into 1 plus 4x square. Here 1 minus 2x whole square. 1 minus 2x whole square. 2x whole square means 2 square means 4. X square means x square. So it is again in the form of a square minus b square. The formula is a plus b into a minus b. So our next step is here a equal to 1, b equal to 2x. So our next step is 2x into 1 plus 4x square. Here 1 plus 2x into 1 minus 2x. This is our final solution for this 8th problem. So next problem is 9th one. 81 x power 4 minus 121 x square. Solution for this problem is 81 x power 4 minus 121 x square. First we take x square common from these two. Then we get 81 x square minus 121. Then we can write it as 9x whole square minus 11 whole square. 9x whole square means 9 9s are 81, x into x square, minus 11 square is 121. Then it is in the form of a square minus b square. The formula for this is a plus b into a minus b. So here a equal to 9x and b equal to 11. Our next step is x square into a plus b, that means 9x plus 11 into 9x minus 11. So this is our final solution for this problem. So next problem is 10th one. P square minus 2pq plus q square minus r square. Solution for this is p square minus 2pq plus q square minus r square. So it is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. The formula for this is a minus b whole square. So from here a equal to p and b equal to q. Our next step is we can write this in the formula. So a minus b whole square, that means p minus q whole square minus r square. So it is in the form of a square minus b square. The formula for this is, we all know, a plus b into a minus b. So here a equal to p minus q and b equal to r. So the formula for this is a plus b into a minus b, that means a plus b into a minus b. That means p minus q plus r into p minus q minus r. This is our solution for 10th problem. If you like, try this problem as I explained in this video. If you have any doubts, then comment below. I will definitely explain in my next video. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.